GBPUSD this week has fallen in value. What we can see after the price reached 1.02784, we can see that the price has dropped down, and that drop has started on Wednesday and also on Tuesday. Tuesday is the bearish candle, and then the price has bounced from this on Wednesday 1.26 price level, and it has stopped just in between these support and resistance levels. So what this means, the price is jumping still around between these resistance level 1.278 and also a support level at 1.26. This means we can see the price started jumping between these two price levels since December 14. So around 1 month and a little bit more, the price is jumping between these two price levels, which means a pretty indecision on the market, and price has formed a range and moving sideways. For this means there is no clear direction. But let's see how this looks on the weekly. We can see that on the weekly this week has ended also almost as indecision, but we can see the price has formed some kind of a bullish pin bar because of the week that is on the lower side. But this, for me, this bullish pin bar has not been formed on the right place, and that means right on the demand zone here at the support level, but it is in between the resistance and support level. We can see it here. Let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. For now, the month still looks indecision on the market, and we do not have clear any movements. So we have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so everything is still open. We need to wait until the price makes a breakout to the upside or to the downside. We can see that on the monthly time frame, the very important level is still here, which is 1.262 price level. And on the upper side, we can see that very important level for the price is this one here, which is 1.283. Until the price makes a breakout to the upside or the downside, it's not very clear where the price could move. But for that, we need to go to the weekly and also daily time frame for much more clear information what are the very critical levels and what could happen in the next 1 or 2 weeks. For now, we can see on the weekly time frame everything is still open. There is no movements to the upper side or the downside, except this week on the downside, where the price has dropped in value, but it has bounced back up, which means a strong bullish momentum is still waiting here, and also the demand zone that is pretty strong, that will not allow for the price to fall down in value. What we can see also here, that the very important level for the price on the upper side is this one, 1.274 for the bulls, that they need to make a breakout to the upside, and also on the downside we can see that 1.267 is very important. Now for the next one, where the price needs to make a breakout, is 1.28, which we can see here in the past that the price needs to break in order to continue to reach around 1.3 price level, which is the ultimate target for now on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to the daily, which is much more clear information, and we also have here a demand and support levels, demand and supply levels zones. And what we can see here, it's very important is 1.277 price level, which is here, and also a supply zone that stretches from 1.28 and also 1.27. This is the area where the price have problems to make a breakout to the upside and move to reach higher price levels like 1.3. On the lower side, we can see that the price has dropped in value, but here we have a confluence of support where we have a horizontal support level and also this trend line, which is now acting as a support. So it's very hard for the price to make a breakout to the downside, which means the bulls are pretty strong here, not allowing the price to fall down even more. If the price goes down and reaches and makes a breakout to the downside, this will mean that 1.254 is the next support level. Until that happens, everything's still open, and also I'm watching each day what happens on the market, and also I'm making the analysis inside the trading community I have on the Get No Trading website. So if you would like to check the link, it is below in the description, and you can also check for yourself. I will also make the analysis each day when the price makes a breakout to the upside and also downside, and also point you in the direction what I'm expecting, what is the next target after the breakout happens. So see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.